I'm coming in hot. Coming in hot. Shoot that. Hey, why not? Yeah.
All right, guys, we are back. Yeah, silver. We just saw that. No problem, man. No problem at all. All right, how's everyone doing tonight? I don't know if we have any people that remained in from our first break, but if not, welcome to the channel. We are Two Brother Breaks. Please give us a follow if you like our channel, and that would be great. All the support is just so helpful for us. Following us is free. All you have to do is press the button below. So please give us a follow if you guys can. That would be awesome. Everyone spam in the chat who you got. Hey, no problem, Silver. Again, yeah, no problem. No problem at all. Everyone spam in the chat who you got. Let's be active in the chat. Let's talk some football. Let's pull some fire and let's have a fun time with it. So we got Dishman. What's cracking? Good luck, fella. Yeah, Dishman. All right, we got our 4 boxes of Chronicles. This is all megas. All right, guys. So 4 Chronicles mega boxes. And we're going to get rolling right away. We did have a break of this yesterday, and my goodness, we hit so many Trevor Lawrences. We hit so many Justin Fields. We hit so many of the top QBs. It was some good stuff. Hopefully we can do the same thing tonight. But yeah, we're going to get rolling right away. All right. Shannon, you got the Cowboys auto. Hey, I hope we get a Cowboys auto for you. I hope we get a lot of good stuff. That's what we need. Alright. We got Panini points yesterday as well, which was not the most fun thing instead of an auto, so hopefully that doesn't happen again. Empty box. If that happens again, though, we just we do a random number generator for it with all that if Panini points are given. For everyone trickling in a little bit later, we're Two Brother Breaks. My name is Mike. Tie-Fi, you can see in the background's walking in. My brother is somewhere lost back there as well. His name's Steve. Please give us a follow. It's free. It helps our channel out tremendously.
And on social media.
And follow us on social media if you really like us. If you really like us.
If you like us, which you will. Instagram is _brother_breaks.
How many push-ups would you have to do? What does Ty-Fi have to do for you guys to follow all of our socials?
I can do a lot of push-ups.
I mean, this is big stuff. Someone throw out a number out there. Trey Sermon's our first card score card. It is Devontae Smith, Don Ross, rookie legacy, Rashard Bateman, XR rookie Elijah Molden, and then Tamorian Terry. So yeah, all these cards are rookies in Chronicles. So pretty exciting with that. They're all rookies. With that, we did pull a number card yesterday as well. Gotta be careful with some of the different colors and stuff like that may be numbered, because I don't know the sets in and out that are in here with that. Alright guys, on to pack number 2. We have 2-2. And then we have 2-2 right behind them. This is the orange parallel. It's not numbered though. Travis Etienne. That's a nice legacy card to hit right there. Justin Fields right behind him. Another nice card illusion. We'll take the Justin Fields all day. And Pat Freeman Optic. Sleeve up. Oh jeez. I just dropped Justin. It's alright, I got him. I caught him. Justin is alive and well. Nice Justin Fields illusion card. Travis Etienne. Sleeve him up as well. Alright guys, on to pack number 3. So how's everyone doing? Let me know how you guys are doing in the chat. Jamie Newman. Jalen Waddle. Score card. We got a legacy Kyler Hill. Cal Pitts. And then a gold optic of Rashad Bateman. It's a nice looking card. Not numbered at all. It's a nice parallel to hit of the optic cards. with it.
Who was here in the last break?
Yeah, I know Dishman was here in the last break. Yeah, who else? Anybody buying both these breaks at all? For it all? Caleb Farley, Chronicles, Jamie Newman, Mac Jones. There's another QB, nice hit. Terrence Marshall Jr. And then Cal Trask as well. There we go. Let's leave up Cal Trask and Mac Jones. All right, moving on. Man, you guys are quiet. This break, last break, we had people flying in the chat with everything. Yeah, I know. Everyone's quiet. I don't know what's going on here. I feel.
Let those guys talk more than you.
I know. Terry, Elijah Moore,
It's Friday night, people.
Tooney, Cal Pitts, Orange Illusion, and then scored Travis Etienne. That's a nice select Travis Etienne. That's a nice select card right there. It's a nice little hit. Yeah, you guys are being so quiet. That's alright. That's alright. I won't force you guys to chat with me. That's fine. You'll just hear me mumble as I open up all these Chronicle packs alone. Stuck with Tie-Fi. All sad. Bedtime, Shannon. Bedtime. Bedtime.
It's Friday.
It's a Friday night. Yeah, what's going on here? What's going on, Shannon? Rondell Moore. Jalen Waddle. Jalen Waddle right behind him. We got Kadarius Tooney. And then Rashad Bateman. I guess it's time to pull a fire piece and blow him up. I know, Dishman. That's what we got to do. I don't know. Maybe I just got to pull a fire auto to get something going in the chat, Dishman. I mean, I just don't know. I don't know what's going on. Aziz Olari. Jalen Waddle. Hawkins. Pat. And then Javonte Williams. Shannon, you're old, you're saying? Oh, man, you can't be that old. You can't be that old for bedtime at 11. If you're on the East Coast, that is. Devontae Smith Chronicles. Caleb Farley. Javonte Williams. Terrace Marshall Jr. And then we have a Trey Lance. Bisons. Cool stuff, guys. Cool stuff. Cool stuff. All right. On to the next pack. We're still looking for that auto. Still looking for that auto for this box. Man, if I pull a fire auto, I'm going to be playing some nice emotes in the chat. I'm probably going to do some push-ups on the ground. I'm still going to get hype. That's probably what's going to happen here, guys. But we'll see. Ian Book. It's not, okay, it's not a hot auto. This come up so quick here. Okay, Ohio State Buckeyes. Tommy Togai? I don't even know. Extra points. Tommy Togai. It's a cool little auto. Signature there. Anybody know what team this is? You guys know what team this is?
What's the name of
Tommy Togai?
it? I have a spelling of that last name.
T-O-G... Cleveland Browns. Congratulations to the Browns getting the first auto of the night for Chronicles break. Man, we've been unlucky with our autos here tonight.
Hey, don't say that. We don't get unlucky here. Two really great.
Yeah, our luck's gonna turn around. That's what that means. Hopefully, with it.
Means it's all uphill from here.
All uphill. Yeah, that's right. All uphill from here. Jamar Chase. Mac Jones. Nice recon Mac Jones. And that is a orange parallel and Cal Pitts select card. Yeah, this is an orange parallel with Mac Jones. Yeah, not numbered or anything, but nice Mac Jones there. Looking for those hot autos, man. Looking for those hot autos. Micah Parsons. Terry. Moore. Legacy. Nice. Kyle Trask. Spectre. And then Tylen Wallace. Just leave up that Kyle Trask. Ooh. Alright. Alright. 2 more packs to go for box number 1. Alright, guys. Let's see what we got. I can't. I'm doing so bad at opening this thing up. Let's go from that corner instead. Alright. Wow. Alright, so this is actually a nice hit. I didn't even realize this was a Prism card. Or silver. So this is actually a silver select card. Did not hit any silver selects. Not of maybe the rookie that we want, per se, of Javian Hawkins. But that's a pretty cool card. We'll take any silver that we get as first select. Not numbered or anything, but Prism silver with that. Nice Prism card right there. Molden. We have a Chronicles Hubbard. There we go. There's a nice Justin Fields. Take that all day. And another Justin Fields right behind him. Hey, back-to-back Justin Fields and a Prism card. That's pretty cool stuff. We'll definitely take that. What pack? Back-to-back Fields. Trevor Lawrence hasn't hit once yet, Steve. And we had, how many Trevor Lawrences did we have?
Like 20.
I know, we had like 20 Trevor Lawrences last night, or for a box break. So this is actually kind of crazy that Lawrence hasn't been hit yet.
You know what the problem is, Mike? We're not getting enough emojis in the chat. We need people some spam in there.
All right, so Troy, do we have the exclamation shop? Is that like a thing that we got going on? So Trey, if you, I don't know if that works right now for us, but Trey, if you go to our homepage, all of our eBay store, all of our socials are linked to our homepage on Twitch. With that, Devontae Smith, Elijah Moore, Moses. There we go. Here's a nice Zach Wilson. Illusions. I feel like this may be. I think they're all shiny like that for it. But nice Zach Wilson. We'll take a Zach Wilson. And then Brown. Yeah, Trey. Hey, welcome, man, to the chat. Welcome to the chat. Who do you have, Trey? But yeah, our store, our eBay store page, is on our homepage. You can find it under our social tabs. Do you do personals, Trey? Yeah. Where are you looking for potential for personals? We do have some extra Prism draft pick hangers and blasters of personals that we can do after this, if you are interested in that. So you just let me know, Trey, with that. We were saying for the blasters, we're doing 25, and the hangers, what did we say for the hangers? 15, if you're interested in any of those. For a personal empty box. Alright, on to box number 2. Jeez, I am struggling holding on to these things. Trey Lance. Dylan Moses. Rookie Kyle Trask. That's a nice card right there. Quitty Pie. Travis Etienne Spectre. That's a cool looking card right there. That's a nice card. Any NBA personals? Sadly, we do not have any NBA personals going on right now. No. Sorry about that, Trey.
We do have baseball too.
Yeah, we do have baseball. If you're interested in baseball, we can do baseball personals. And like I said, we have the Prism draft picks personals that we can do as well. But our NBA's been short. It's so hard to get NBA cards. We do have a couple of NBA Prism breaks coming up, but not enough for personals, sadly. Bateman. Jamar Chase. Michael Carter. That's a nice card right here. Nice Dylan Moses. Spectre. and then Rashard Bateman. Still looking for that auto for this pack or box. Maybe in this pack. Zach Wilson on the top. There's Zach Wilson. Okay, where is Mr. Lawrence? We need to find some Lawrence right now. Bateman.
I'm telling you,
Pitts.
you need to put some emojis in the
Greg
chat.
Rousset, yeah.
That's the only way.
We need some fire emojis in chat or something. Javonte
Or
Williams.
channel points.
Yeah.
Some fire
We need something for Trevor Lawrence to come up, guys.
Summon him.
We need some. Yeah, we need to summon him. Got summon some T. Lawrence. It's about time to pull a Quiddy auto. Okay. Okay. Quiddy auto. Hey, maybe. Marshall. Zach Wilson again. Chronicles. Devontae Smith. Legacy. Marshall Jr. And then Trey Lance. It's Chronicles. You will find Trevor. I know Trey. I mean, we literally had so many Trevor Lawrences last night. I don't know why we're not finding him so far. Like, this is kind of crazy. Not gonna lie. Trey Lance. Ooh, I can't read this guy. We got Tooney. Hubbard right behind him. Illusion and Kyle Pitts. I feel like that's our second Kyle Pitts select card that we've gone with it. Yeah, Chronicles. Yeah, I thought Chronicles was hot for Trevor as well, but maybe not. I don't know what's going on now. I thought it was too.
Well, yeah, we'll show
Gainwell.
you the stack after the break. It's
Cal
insane.
Pitts, Trey Lance, Legacy, Devontae Smith, Recon. I feel like this Recon looks potentially different. We'll see what it says on the back. It's not numbered or anything, but I feel like this Recon card looks like different, and it looks. I actually really like that. That's a cool looking card. And then Tylan Wallace. Okay, so Trey, yeah, we don't have our yeah, him plenty of them. Yeah, we are. We don't have a store right now up of our personals that you can buy. We do it through like Venmo and PayPal and all that. So we can do the personals through the Venmo or PayPal with paying, and then we'll just ship them out to you. If you're in this break, we'll just add it to your cards with that. But yeah. All right, still looking for that auto, guys. Still looking for that auto. Javonte Williams. There it is. There's our auto. Warren Jackson, Colorado State Rams. Man, still not hitting the autos that we want. Warren Jackson. I'm not sure where Warren Jackson went. We'll probably let us know here in a second.
He is going for the Denver Broncos. He's a wide receiver.
Denver Broncos, wide receiver. Gotcha, Trey. No problem. You just want to see the product and stuff. Yeah, no problem at all, Trey. Hey, well, give us a follow. I mean, we have 3 more breaks tomorrow night as well. We do have a blaster mixer that we're doing 15 different blaster boxes of contenders, chronicles, and prism draft picks. We have a soccer break tomorrow night, and then I don't know what's our third one, Steve. Yeah,
I can't remember.
Bateman, and then we have another one. I forget what it is. Hubbard, and then Brown. Rated rookie. So yeah. First one was the Prestige auto. That was our first one that was not like a rookie signatures Panini Threads. Zach Wilson, Donruss, Travis Etienne was our first one. Travis Etienne again. There we go. There's our man. There's our first Trevor Lawrence. First one. Spectre. Finally, he comes. And then Najee Harris. Crimson Flux. Finally hit Mr. Lawrence. I'm struggling. right. Yeah, Chronicles is always interesting. You never know what's gonna come out with Chronicles. With it, I think personally, I like the Chronicles football better, a little bit better than the like the main one. This is the Chronicles football is better than the Chronicle draft picks. There's a Trey Lance, Justin Fields, Chronicles base, Hill, Cal Trask, and then a nice Jalen Waddle Prism select card. There you go. That's a nice hit right there. Congratulations to whoever has the Dolphins. That's a nice Jalen Waddle Prism select card. That's our second Prism select that we hit with it. Cool stuff. With that. Cool stuff. But yeah, cool stuff, guys. Cool stuff. Right there. That's a good pack. Alright. We'll throw up that Jalen Waddle Prism back there. Hopefully we will be getting some more better cards. Okay. Trey Lance. Randall Moore. Mac Jones. Legacy card. Najee Harris. Right behind them. Illusions. And then Williams Jr. Select. We did pull a number card of Legacy in the last break. I haven't seen any number cards come out yet, but
Hey, Ty and I are discussing back here. What
Yeah.
do you guys think? What about Urban Meyer and the Jacksonville Jaguars this year? Do you think he's going to be a successful NFL coach? And what do we think that team looks like after that bad season?
yeah, a lot of interesting stuff happening on with Jacksonville. Yeah, what do you guys think about all that? Williams, Bateman, Tooney, Tutu, XR, Rondell Moore. Alright, one more pack to go. Box number 2. Yeah, anybody have any opinions about Jacksonville? See what's going to happen? What do you guys think? The Jaguars, are they going to be potentially playoff contenders? Is that too much of a push to say? Are they going to be a winning team this year?
I think that may be a little bit of a push.
Yeah, we'll see. ETN, Marshall Jr., Waddle. There's another Trevor Lawrence, Recon, nice looking card there, and then Patrick Surtain, second. No one has any opinions about Jacksonville. Okay, no opinions. That's okay. That's all right. It's a quiet Chronicles break tonight in the chat, Steve. It's a quiet one.
I see that.
It's all right though. Everyone's just relaxing on the Friday night, just watching us. Coming up some product. We're sad. Everyone's being quiet.
Sad that nobody's talking.
We're sad, guys. Here's an empty box, guys.
Box 3.
Box number 3.
Alright, you know what? We're gonna do something different this time, Mike.
Yeah, what are we doing?
We're not doing last pack magic. We're doing last box magic.
Last box
This
magic.
Box is gonna hit.
Well, we have 4 boxes, so this isn't our last box. We got 2 more boxes still.
We're doing 4?
Yeah, 4. That's what we did for Chronicles. 4, man.
Alright, well remember that on our last box then.
Last box magic is what Ty-Fi
We're
is
gonna
saying.
pull it off.
All right.
For it.
Alright, whatever you say, man. Whatever you say. Javonte Williams. Chronicle Kyle Pitts. Marshall Jr. Najee Harris illusion card. Again. Seth Williams. Rated rookie for the optic. Maybe this auto is going to be fire. I'm hoping this auto is going to be potentially fire. That's what I'm hoping for. gonna be a nice card on the back. I just saw. Judy. Gainwell. Nice Zach Wilson legacy. Kyle Trask. And beautiful Trey Sermon Prism Select. Dude, Steve, we had no Prism Selects.
And we've hit 2 of
We've
them.
hit 3. We've hit 3 Prism Selects already, guys.
That's awesome.
Jalen Waddle and Trey Sermon. Both like 2 like decently named guys at least to hit it with as well. We'll definitely take that. Parson. Are you saying Parson that you want Shannon that you're looking for the Parson or that we hit a Parson? I can't remember. With that one. What do you mean by Parson, Shannon? Alright, on to the next pack. Why am I struggling so much opening up packs right now? It's a struggle fest. Kyle Pitts, Zach Wilson, Mac Jones, orange of Tylan Wallace, XR, and then Kyle Pitts. I feel like Kyle Pitts is always at the end. Why is Kyle Pitts always last? You want Parson, okay. We'll look for a Parson. Yeah, Micah Parsons. Yeah, I don't know if we hit Micah Parsons, yeah. With that. I'm thinking about that. Yeah, Micah Parsons is quiet. Yeah, I don't know why Micah Parsons is being quiet right now. Yeah, we need to hit a nice one for you. Alright, here comes the Micah Parsons. I feel it. I feel it right now. Let's go. More. Pitts. Tooney. Kyle Trask. And then Elijah Moore. Trey Lance Auto. JB is calling out Trey Lance Auto. JB, what's up, man? You were in the chat last night, right, JB? How are you doing? If so, Terrence Marshall. Zach Wilson, scorecard. Rookie, Jalen Waddle. Quitty Pie, and then Sage Sherratt, Spectre. Prism card, yeah, this is a Prism card, yeah, I was gonna say. This is a nice Spectre Prism of Sage. Take some Prisms. First time JB or JD. Hey, welcome, man. We had a similar guy. It was in there. I think it was JB or JD. I forget. Yesterday. Hey, JD.
No, wasn't it DK?
No. It was definitely JB. You're JB. It was JD. I think last night. Hey, JB. You're gonna come back. Awesome, man. Awesome. Hey, give us a follow if you haven't so far, JB. That way you'll know when we're live. You can always join in and just talk football, even if you're not
We got social
part of it.
media too.
Yeah, we got socials as well. Dylan Moses. And then Mac Jones. Moses card. Is this Prism? I don't know. I don't think so. I'm glad you're going to be back, though, JB. That's awesome.
Hey, if we have any
Thanks for
like
support.
Office fans, like the TV show The Office, if you give us a follow, there's a cool little pop-up I made.
Yeah, there's a cool office. Sorry, my mic was dropping on there.
I'm very proud of it.
Yeah, someone needs to give us a follow so they see the office pop up. Guys got to do it for the office pop up. Prestige, Marshall Jr., Trey Lance Chronicles.
Do you want to form?
There you go. Thank you, JB. Thank you.
Me.
There it is, the office pop up.
Absolutely, I do. Good. Excellent.
Kenneth Gainwell.
Follow.
Yeah, thank you so much for the follow. Richard Bateman, select. That's what it is, man. You got that beautiful thing that Steven made for the channel with it. Alright, Dylan Moses is our first card. Elijah Moore. Chase. Marshall Jr. And then Marshall Jr. again. 3 LSU players back to back there. This is not. I didn't miss this. This is, yeah, that's not that person. Thank you, JB. Thank you. Man, I need to start doing the thing. Maybe I'm gonna start doing the thing. I've been on the push-up train tonight. Maybe I'm gonna start doing like every follow that we get, I'm gonna do 5 push-ups. I think I'm gonna do that, Steve, because I need to work on my arms. I need to work on them.
Do 100 for every follow.
You're not gonna do 100.
That's just a lot.
Zach Wilson,
Believe that.
I can do it.
more. Chuba, Cal Pitts. Every follow that we get, I'll do 5 push-ups. I feel like that's fair. JB,
Sissy.
is that Sissy, guys? Is that Sissy? I don't even know. I don't even know if that's Sissy or not. Still looking for the auto of this box. Is that Sissy? I don't feel like that's not Sissy. I don't know. Bateman. Cal Trask. Justin Fields. Devontae Smith. Recon. Zach Wilson. Flux. Steve is a squat man. This guy, yeah, Steve is a squat master back here. He just does squats all the time.
Show your legs on camera.
Yeah, you need to show the legs on
They wanna see
camera.
your thighs.
Does anybody want to see Steven's
Your
thighs?
followers want to see your. Well, that's how you got those.
Does anybody want to see Steve's thighs?
Not gonna happen.
What do you mean? No one wants to see Steve's thighs?
How many of you
Thunder
will
thighs.
follow us if you see
Not
Steve's
gonna
tree
happen.
trunk legs?
Alright, our auto has to be coming here. Is it either this pack or the next one? There it is. Okay, so here's our auto. From Georgia. It is Richard LeCounte III. Prestige. Extra points. Auto. Man. Autos have just not been lucky, man. Not been lucky. Cleveland Browns. I feel like that's our second Cleveland Browns auto, right?
I think so.
Cleveland Browns getting 2 autos. Ah, man. It's not what we're looking for, that one.
Maybe it is at the Cleveland Browns.
I get, yeah, I got. I got Moses,
Do
Bateman.
you want to form?
Hey, Dan Chilwell, thank you for the follow. Moses, I mean, that's push-ups for me. I gotta do 5 push-ups. Yeah, Steve. Yeah, Steve's showing his thighs for the follow. Yeah, yeah. He said, "Oh wait, Steve. I thought you said you're showing your thighs."
I don't see anything in the chat.
Thank you so much for the follow, man. So I got 10 push-ups after this pack here. Trey Lance, Sage Surratt, Newman. There's another Trevor Lawrence, Spectar, and then Kadarius Tooney. All right, I gotta do my 10 push-ups real quick before we get to the last box. 10 push-ups. No one laugh. Sapphire, you're
You gotta go where they can see you, like over there somewhere.
Do my 10 push-ups right here.
Can they see you?
Yeah.
Are you even going all the way down?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, you're not going all the way up. No, you gotta straighten those elbows.
Elbows are
Oh,
straight, man.
that
Those
was-
elbows
that
are
was
straight.
not a
That was 100%
push-up.
straight. All right. Working on my skinny cross-country arms for the follows. Oh, this is a good. Dude, just think about it. We have like over 100 followers. If I'd started doing this since the beginning, I could have done.
You'd be
Sorry, I just
jacked.
knocked that down. Yeah, I'll be jacked by now. Yeah, exactly. It's a lot of push-ups I could have done.
What's stopping you?
I mean, we need more follows. We need more. I mean,
Following.
dude. I mean, how many push-ups will a subscriber be? I think. Oh, that's a hefty.
Subscribe. We're gonna have to put a pull-up bar in here.
I don't know. I think subscriber is like a hefty like 20, 25 maybe. I think 20. 20 if you subscribe. That's fair.
For a subscriber. I'll do it.
I don't know if high five you can even do a push-up.
Okay.
I don't know about this here. I don't know what's going on with it. All right. Last box, guys. Okay, so Tie-Fi did call last box magic. Not last pack,
Absolutely did.
but last box. There's our empty box. Tie-Fi did call this, so we'll see if he's right. Tie-Fi usually doesn't make calls. I feel like
I don't.
there's a reason why Ti-Fi doesn't make calls. So
We're gonna find out.
we're about to find out though. I hope it's good. I hope it's good. I want to pull you guys the best cards that we possibly can. That's what I want. All right, starting off with a Trevor Lawrence Chronicles.
Look, we get a Trevor Lawrence right
And then another Trevor Lawrence back to back. Trevor Lawrence back to back. Dylan Moses, Marshall Jr., and then Justin Fields select card. All right, all right. That's a pretty respectable first pack to start off with. Okay, oh, you may be onto something here, Ti-Fi.
I'll just throw out my magic willy-nilly.
Maybe onto something.
Yeah, this is
That's a
something
beautiful
special
Fields
right
select card, by the way. I think select's probably the best card or like type of card in this break, and that's nice. That's a nice hit there. I really do like the selects. All right, pack number 2. We'll see if it stays hot. All right, Jamie Newman, Mac Jones, Don Ross, Cal Trask. Look at this. Okay. All right, Ti-Fi's on to something, guys. Okay, so this Cal Trask card, this is a beautiful card. Sorry, this is my mic right there. So this is our blue lettering down there, which is a numbered card. So blue going with the Florida Gators. Numbered card 2/99. 19 of 99.
Let's go.
Wow. That's a nice card right there. That is a nice card. Congratulations to whoever has Cal Trask. Speaking of Cal Trask, he's the next card too, guys. He's the next card as well. So that is a numbered QB hit. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. I'm pumped. All right, who we kicking out here in the background? So we're kicking out Warren Jackson. Throwing that Cal Trask up back there. Cal Trask right behind Cal Trask. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. This is a select gold prism of Najee Harris. Ti-Fi, what the heck did you do with this last Fox call? Guys, no one's even saying anything in the chat. I'm over here freaking out, and no one's even freaking out with me. What is this? I feel like
I made that
miserable
fire
right now.
emoji for a reason.
What is happening? No one's even saying anything. What the heck? That's a beautiful card. That's a beautiful Najee Harris card right there of select. Guys. It's nothing. It's crickets. You guys aren't even excited.
I'm coming in hot.
No one's even excited, Steve. No one's excited for it. Oh. This hurts. This hurts.
Hey, why not?
Yeah, we'll just celebrate on our own with it all. Oh man, guys. Guys are killing me.
Who has it?
I don't know. Someone have is the Steelers in chat, or is Cal Trask? Cal Trask went to 49ers, right? Was he 49ers or no? No, Cal Trask is the Bucks. Does anybody have Cal Trask or the Bucks that's in here? What's going on? Nothing. Shannon, not a Cowboy. That's right. I'm sorry, Shannon. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. Damn. We need to get Micah Parsons. We need to. Trevor Lawrence to start off the pack, guys. Prestige. Jamie Newman. Where is Larry Newman? Right behind him. Justin Fields. So 4 for 4 with the QBs in this pack. Trey Lance. 5 QBs in that pack, guys. 5 for 5 on QBs in that pack.
Let's go. Dude, I wasn't joking when I said it.
I guess you weren't, man. I mean, this is a little absurd at this point. I'm not gonna lie.
Mike, what was that card number to?
99.
Are you sure?
Oh no. The Najee Harris
Yeah.
is not numbered.
Are you sure?
I'm looking. I'll look again. I don't think it's
That
numbered.
card.
The Cal Trask is numbered. Yeah, there's no number on the back here. Or on the front.
I think that's because it's orange, not gold.
This is
I was
orange.
Say, if this was gold, it'd be numbered to 10 and it'd be worth over $100.
Oh, it's orange. Sorry, guys. That's an orange, not a gold. Still, I mean, it's a crazy hit with that. So, yeah, that's an orange parallel for select.
That's still a $10 card.
Yeah, that's a nice hit for the Steelers right there, guys. That's a really nice card. Najee Harris to start off the pack, and then nice Trevor Lawrence score right behind him. Zach Wilson behind Trevor Lawrence. Najee Harris orange XR card, and Kyle Trask optic. All right, and we'll have you guys start sleeving some of these QBs. I'll lay them over here. Starting to run lower. Man, this has been a hot box, guys. This has been a hot box. We're still looking for our boy Micah Parsons, Najee Harris again, Marshall Jr., nice Zach Wilson. And then behind that, we have Azeez Ojulari. Shannon, oh man, I feel so bad, Shannon. I'm trying my hardest. I can't control the cards, sadly, but I'm trying my hardest to find Micah Parsons. We pulled him so much yesterday, too. Especially in our Prism one. Oh, I'm good. So, I feel really bad. Najee Harris is getting covered up by me. We'll pull him over here. Alright. Najee Harris again, guys. Steelers on fire. Najee Harris. Certain. Nice Trevor Lawrence right here. Not numbered or anything. Greg. And then Kadarius Toney. Oh, man. What a box, though. What a box so far. Now we just need a fire auto. And then Ty-Fi is making calls of the history right here. Maybe even better than the Blaze Jordan call.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, I don't know about that. Najee Harris. Patrick Stern. Sam Ellinger. Legacy. Hubbard. And then Larry on the back. Alright, let's see what we got. There's our last auto, though. Just coming up out of nowhere, and it's Josh Palmer, Tennessee Titans. Man, the autos, still the auto was not a big fire one at all. Or not yet.
He went to Tennessee College.
Tennessee College, not.
Los Angeles Chargers.
Let's just go to the Chargers. Sorry. Not a Titans player. Go to the Chargers. I have no clue what's going on with this autograph. This is a whole bunch of circles on here. Honestly, don't know how this auto represents
He was a third-round pick.
Josh Palmer. Third round pick, though. If anybody sees the J or the R here, let me know. I feel like I see mostly circles for that one. But that one's going to the Chargers. Congratulations, whoever bought the Chargers. You get the third round pick auto. Najee Harris. Bateman, and then Trey Lance. What position is he? He has a football in his hand, so it looks like he's offense at least. Yeah, wide receivers. Hey, you never know. He's an offensive player. Wide receiver. May not be too bad. Alright. Alright, guys. Prestige. Pitts. Najee Harris. Trey Sermon. And then we have a 2-2. And then Rondell Moore. Kind of slowing down here on this box, sadly. We got 3 more packs to go. 3 more packs to go, guys. I had the Browns and the Chargers. Let's go, Dalen. There we go. There you go. Hey, you like your subscriber emotes there. I like it. You pointing at that fire. Let's go, Dalen. Elijah Moore. Cal Trask. Non-numbered Cal Trask. Brown. And then, oh my gosh, guys. Our second Prism select Trey Sermon. 2. We hit 2 Prism Select Sermons. Wow. Look at that. That's kind of crazy. Sermon coming in hot twice. With it. Wow. 2 of them. That's pretty wild. Alright, where's that Parsons? Come on, Parsons. Come on, Micah. Where are you? Maybe in the last 2 packs. Please. Please, Micah. Please. For Shannon. Cal Trask. Bashman. Carter. Chuba. And then Javonte Williams select card. Alright, last pack, guys. Last pack magic here, hopefully. See what we got. Last one of the break. Thank you guys for all participating in this break, and thank you for buying into it. It was pretty good. A lot better than our one yesterday. We didn't hit maybe the big names as many times, but we got some nice individual hits for you guys with it. Otto's still looking for better. Pitts. Kyle Pitts again. Trey Lance. Recon. This is actually orange parallel, and then Kyle Pitts. So 3 Kyle Pitts in that last pack. But hey guys, thank you so much for participating in this break and buying it. Thank you for showing the love and support to Two Brother Breaks with it as well. Yeah, thank you guys so much. Yeah, we have one more break coming up if you want to stick around and watch it, or if you guys bought into it, please stick around and watch it. But we got an Elite Hobby Box coming up next, okay? So that's going to be our next break coming up at 12. Some of our hits were Josh Palmer, rookie. Auto. Where's our other auto? You guys have the other auto?
It's in here. But
Yeah, sorry. It's on it.
Be able to fish it out.
Tommy, auto. Warren Jackson, auto. Kyle Trask, number 299, our 1 number card. It is 19 of 99. Jalen Waddle, Prism. Najee Harris, Orange Prism Select. Trey Sermon Prism, and then Trey Sermon Prism again. So those are our best hits and biggest hits of the break. All right, guys. Like I said, we're going to have another break starting up in about 10-ish minutes. Thank you so much for participating in this one, all right? Hope you have a great night.